episode of Trigonometric Integral, and we have the following question to explain trig integral. The only approach to this is to use a trig identity. That is the best approach, using what? Trig identity. So let's jump into the solution. The first one, we have integral of sine square x dx. There is no direct link for this, okay? But from trig identity of double angle cos 2x, you can start from that, is equal to 1 minus what? 2 sine square what? 2 sine square x dx, okay? From there, we can make sine square x the subject, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x, okay, over 2, which is what? 1 over 2 times what? 1 minus cos 2x. That's for what? That's for this. So that's what we have done there. Then we can now come back to this place now. Integral of this will now become half as a constant outside the integral, and then we have what? 1 minus what? Cos of the function cos 2x. Okay, close the brackets, dx. So straight away we can get the answer. Integral of the 1 respect to this function is x minus integral of cos is sine 2x. Then you divide by the derivative of this inner function. Derivative of 2x is what? Is 2. Okay, plus c. Put the brackets, then we have this 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that's minus 1 over 4 sine what? Sine 2x plus c. So that's that. Sine 2x has the value, that's 2 sine x cos x. So we have this minus 1 over 4 times 2 sine x cos x plus c. So sine 2x is this. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So the final answer is what? This one also has no, there's no direct table for cos square x. So what we can do also is to what? Come back to this. Cos 2x has two equation. Okay, can be written as what? 2 cos square x minus what? Minus 1. So we can make this one the subject, and that will be what? Cos square x is equal to what? 1 over 2 into bracket what? 1 plus what? Cos 2x. Okay, just do the algebra, make this cos square x the subject, minus 1 to the other side. So we have 1 plus what? 1 plus 2x, and then you divide by what? By 2. So your integral now of this will be equal to integral of 1 over 2 can be outside, and that's 1 plus what? Cos 2x. Okay, so we now have 1 over 2, integral of 1 respect to the function, dx, respect to the function, that's the x. Integral of cos is sine of the function, then you divide by derivative of this 2x, which is 2 plus what? Plus c. Okay, so that's that on this case. If you like, you can open the brackets. That's 1 over x plus 1 over 4 sine what? Sine 2x plus what? Plus c. You can also break this one down. Sine 2x is what? 2 sine x cos x. And do it as we did for the other one there. So if you do that, we're going to have that finished that. Okay, for the third one, cos cube x dx. What we're going to do in this case, we're going to split into 2 parts, and that will be what? That will be integral of cos square x times what? Cos x dx. So, and this will be equal to, begin to substitute for this. This is what? 1 minus what? 1 minus sine square x, okay, times what? Cos x dx. Just use the identity for this one. Cos square x is what? No, from sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So from there, make this one cos square x the subject, then we have this expression. Then do your u substitution. Let u be equal to what? Sine x. Okay, so the u, if you differentiate sine, that will be what? Cos x dx. Then, when we're now having now, begin to substitute now. So we have 1 minus u squared times cos x dx. That's what? The u. Integrate this respect to u. That will give us u minus integral of u squared. That will be u to power 3 over 3 plus what? Plus c. Then return your u back, and that will be equal to what? U is what? Sine x minus what? 1 over 3 sine cube x plus c. Smash that watermark on the video and begin to subscribe. Click on like button and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms.